Do you want to get started in ethical hacking but confused about which tool to learn first? In this video, I'll walk you through the top 5 ethical hacking tools every beginner must know, what each of them does, why it matters, and save demo ideas you can run in a lab. Let's go. The first tool we are going to talk about in this video is Nmap. Nmap is a network discovery and reconnaissance tool. Nmap, short for Network Mapper, is a canonical tool for discovering devices on the network and learning what services they offer. Think of it as scouting step. It answers questions like what hosts are up, which ports are open, which services are running. Why it matters: good reconnaissance help you plan future testing and help defenders maintain inventories and spot unexpected services. Metasploitable is a powerful framework used by penetration testers to research vulnerabilities, build and test exploit, proof of concept, and validate defenses. It's modular with scanners, exploit modules, and payload, widely used in security testing. Wireshark is the industry standard network protocol analyzer. It captures and lets you inspect packet level traffic so you can debug protocols, investigate suspicious traffic, or learn how protocols like UDP and TCP works. You can check the official site wireshark.org. Next, let's talk about Bob Suite. Bob Suite is the go-to toolkit for web application security testing. It lets testers intercept web traffic, analyze requests and responses, and manually probe for common vulnerabilities as well. Post-Swigger Bob Suite is widely used by AppSec pros. There's a free community edition for learning. You can check it out at the Post-Swigger official website. The last but not the least tool we're going to talk about in this video is a password auditing tool. John the Ripper and Hashcat are widely used password auditing tools. They help security teams test password strength by attempting to recover plain text from password hashes using techniques like dictionary attacks, rules, and GPU acceleration. Use them for audit only. Do not use them to attack unauthorized accounts. For good reference, you can always check their documentation or recent reviews. If you like this video and want more videos on ethical hacking and cybersecurity, consider hitting the subscribe button and the notification button so that whenever I drop a video, YouTube will notify you. In the days ahead, I'll be dropping videos on how you can use these tools. If you haven't installed Kali Linux yet, there's a video on this playlist. Consider installing Kali Linux because that is the main tool you will use for all the tutorials I will be dropping. It's free, just follow the step-by-step guide I have used. Thanks for watching.